student. Today I will teach you how to find the molecular mass of the compound. First of all, the definition of molecular mass, it is the total all the atomic mass of the given elements in that compound. Let's suppose you have to find the molecular mass of calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate, you have to find the total sum of the given elements in that compound. Atomic mass of calcium is 40, carbon 1 atom 12 atomic mass, oxygen 16, there are 3 atoms, so 3 into 16, that is equal to 40 plus 12 plus 48, that is equal to 100, and it is written as 100 U. But if it will be expressed in gram molecular mass, that it will be equal to 100 gram. And 100 gram is equal to what? This is the formula mass CaCO3, that is equal to 100 gram, and it is equal to 1 mole, and 1 mole of the compound, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. If it is element, then it will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, and if it is compound, then it is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Let's suppose you have to find the molecular mass of water. Then hydrogen is 2 atoms, so 2 into 1, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, plus 16, atomic mass of oxygen is 16, that is equal to 2 plus 16, that is 18 U. If 1 mole of water, that is how many gram? That is equal to 18 gram. Now 1 mole of water, that is equal to 18 gram, and that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. It is equal to Avogadro's number, and it is denoted as Na. Next, if you have to find the molar mass of sulfuric acid H2SO4, then how will you find it? 2 atom hydrogen, 2 into 1, plus sulfur 1 atom, that is 32, oxygen 4 atom, 4 into 16, now it is equal to 2 plus 32 plus 64, that is equal to 98 U. Now if it is expressed in gram molar mass, that is 98 gram. So 1 mole of H2SO4, that is equal to 98 gram, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So these are the laws. You can find the molar mass of a compound. From that you can find the moles and molecules. So how can you find the moles and molecules? How can you find the moles and molecules of any compound? Let's suppose the question is how many moles, mole and molecules are present in 0.18 gram of H2O. So if you have to find the mole, there is a formula: weight of given substance, divided by molecular mass. Here weight of given substance is 0.18 gram, and molecular mass of water, if you will find water molecular mass, that is equal to 1 into 2 plus 16, that is equal to 18 gram. So divided by 80. This is, if you will remove the decimal, then 2 decimal तो 100 नीचे कर दिया into 18, 18 से 18 कट गया, that is equal to 1 by 100. 1 by 100 is equal to 0.01 mole. This is the mole, 0.01. If you have to find the molecules, it will be multiplied by Avogadro's number. So molecules is equal to 0.01 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. And it will be equal to what? That will be equal to 0.01 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It can be written as 1 by 10 to the power 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 6.022 into 10 to the power this 2, that will be subtracted into 10 to the power 21 molecules. Is it clear? The next question is what is the mole and molecules of 25 gram of CaCO3? Answer: mole is equal to weight of given substance, that is equal to 25, and molar mass of calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3 molar mass, 25 by 40 plus 12 plus 48, that is equal to 25 by 100, 1 by 4 mole. It is equal to 1 by 4 mole equal to 0.25 mole. Now number of molecules is equal to 0.25 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So you can find the moles and molecules by given formula. In next day I will teach you the different ways to find the number of atoms, molecules. Okay, thank you.